Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up VWAP on TradingView. First, open your TradingView chart and locate the Indicators button at the top. Click it, then type VWAP into the search bar. Select the Volume Weighted Average Price indicator from the results to add it to your chart. This simple step will immediately display the VWAP line, giving you a crucial tool for understanding market sentiment and price action throughout the trading day. Once VWAP is on your chart, you can customize its appearance and settings. Double-click the VWAP line or click the gear icon next to its name to open the settings. Here, you can change the line's color, thickness, and even add standard deviation bands to visualize price extremes. Experiment with these options to create a setup that best suits your trading style and helps you interpret market movements more clearly. Interpreting VWAP is straightforward. When the price trades above the VWAP line, it generally signals bullish sentiment, indicating that buyers are in control. Conversely, if the price is below the VWAP, it often suggests bearish sentiment, with sellers dominating. Many traders use VWAP as a dynamic support or resistance level, looking for bounces or breaks. Combine it with other tools for a more comprehensive market view. For advanced use, consider adding multiple VWAP indicators with different settings to your chart, perhaps one for the current day and another for a longer period. Remember, VWAP is primarily an intraday indicator, so it's most effective on shorter time frames like 1-minute or 5-minute charts. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Mastering VWAP can significantly enhance your trading decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.